Dear potential investors, welcome to Uzee Stocks Update. If you're looking for a way to grow your wealth and take control of your financial future, you're in the right place. I can assure you that if you truly take advantage of what we offer here, you'll gain the knowledge and confidence to succeed in the stock market. Take your time to go through my posts, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out for a one-on-one masterclass. Most of the answers you're looking for are already here. We've simplified the investment journey to make it easier for you. Many people ask, where should I invest my money? Or how do I start trading crypto and stocks? The truth is, you don't need millions to start. With just a small amount, you can begin investing in stocks, crypto, ETFs, mutual funds, treasury bills, bonds, and commercial papers. You don't even need to buy a whole share or crypto asset. You can start with fractions. To get started, you'll need to download a few apps, and that's where we come in. At Uzee Stocks Update, we've done the heavy lifting for you. We've cracked the code of both the Nigerian and US stock markets and positioned ourselves as trusted guides in finance and wealth creation. The best part, you don't need to be a US citizen or resident to invest in the US stock market. Anyone can do it with the right knowledge and guidance. If you're ready to take the next step, I'm here to help. Join our masterclass, ask your questions, and let's build your financial future together. Looking forward to seeing you succeed.